How to turn photo into cartoon in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn a photo of yourself into a cartoon using Canva. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, in the canva.com, simply head over to the upload section and drag in the photo that you want to cartoonify. For this video, I'm using this one. So here, now let's add the cartoon effect. So start by selecting your image and then go to the app section at the bottom left. And now here in the search bar, simply type Cartoonify, and once you see it in a pop-up, simply click on it, and here once the app shows, simply click on it again to open it. Now here simply click on Cartoonify and replace, and Cartoonify will automatically detect your selected image and apply the cartoon effect. Just make sure that your image is selected before clicking. And there you have it. The image has been transformed into cartoon version and it looks pretty cool. And that's all there is to it. A super easy way to cartoon yourself in Canva, completely free. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.